Ever wish your presentations could design themselves? What if I told you Canva help you create smart, stylish, and interactive slides in minutes? No graphic design skills needed. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a smart presentation using Canva. So, let's dive in. First, go to canva.com and log in. Then, in the search bar, type the presentation topic you want, let's say noun, and hit enter. From here, you will see tons of templates made specially for dynamic, professional-looking slide deck. Canva has everything from minimalist styles to creative and animated slides. Just pick one that fits your topic or vibe. Don't worry, you can customize everything later. Now click on the text to edit your title, subtitles, or add text you may want. You can also change fonts, colors, and add your branding if needed. What makes smart presentation powerful is the ability to add links or actions, like buttons, to take you to different slides or websites. This is super useful for interactive reports or training modules. Now, want to insert images? Just upload or drag and drop them from your device or use Canva's image library. You can add more elements too if you wish for. Just explore the element section on the left side. And once you're done, click Share at the top. Tap See All and select PowerPoint to save it as PowerPoint file. And that's it. That's how easy to create smart presentations using Canva. It's fast, customizable, and looks amazing every time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.